Hey guys! So today I will be showing you how to make two DIY notebooks. So the first notebook that we're going to be making is really good for school. It's the Sleepy Notebook. So whenever you're having a rest in school, or you're listening to your teacher like this, or you want to have a quick nap when you've finished your work like this, instead of going on your hands, you can just sleep straight on the notebook. So I'll show you what you're going to need, and then let's get to it. Okay, so the first thing you're going to need are scissors or an X-Acto knife. I'm just going to use both. A sponge, but for the whole video you're going to need two sponges. Going to need some sponge, some lined paper. If you don't have lined paper, you can just easily get one of those notebooks that have lined paper, and you can easily rip them out. Okay, so let's get started. I forgot to mention you will need some tape, decorative tape, or some string if you want to be more classic. So let's get started. Okay, so first step, let's put this to the side. We're going to get our sponge, and we're just going to cut off this piece. So cut it off, or you could just use your X-Acto knife. I'm going to try the X-Acto knife. It's fine if you don't have an X-Acto knife. I'm just using one just because it's easier, and I'm sure you don't want to just watch the video waiting for me to, and you're just sitting there waiting for me to get on to the next step. Right now you could just gather up your ingredients, your items, and just do your thing. So it's going to be taking a while, so what I'm going to do is just use my scissors to get in there. I would recommend to do this DIY when you're not in a hurry, because this is just to kill time, or it's Saturday or Sunday and you're trying to find some DIYs to do for back to school. But I'm just doing mine after school on a Thursday, even though I really should be studying my spellings or doing some homework, some extra homework, optional homework. Okay, so I'm almost done. Just need to get the middle out. Oh my goodness, this is breaking. Okay, so once you've took off the green bit, you're going to, I shouldn't show that. I'm going to put it to the side. Do not bin it, because you're going to need it soon for our next notebook. My one's like really bad because it's filled up, but we're not going to need to do that bit. You can easily get the things. Okay, so now you're going to get that middle piece, this middle piece, and just cut it, but halfway. So just go to the other end, but don't cut it full half, or else you're gonna not be able to put your pages in. So it'll be sort of quick. And it will make our covers. So it's pretty. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I'm almost done. And after you've got your little book cover, you're going to put these two aside and collect your paper. Now I have a lot of paper and we're going to make 2 notebooks, so I'm just going to divide my paper into 2 really quickly. Just put this to the side. Okay, so I've divided it into 2 equally and I've got 1 set. And what we're going to do is we're going to measure the sponge inside. So I'm just going to do this. Just put it on top and get an X-Acto knife and just cut out 1 set. Or you could just get a pen and use it for your stencil. So all I need to do is draw this L, just like that, size of my sponge. So and all we have to do is cut out a ton of these. So what I'm going to do is just fold this in half to the line maximum and just keep going till I get to the end of the page. If you have some excess, you can cut it out, because we're not going to need them bits. Ping. Okay, so after you've done that, you're going to do it the other way, like this. You know this line there? How to get this, and do it what you did for the sides. It's going to be a lot of cutting out, and also cut out the excess. It's going to be a lot of pages. After you've done that, you're just going to do this. So it should look like this, depending on the size of your sponge. And just do this. Just cut off, just like that. And then after you've cut out your things, your pieces of paper, you're going to cut them out this way now, on the side. So I'll put on some music for you to listen.
Why not dust off your passport?
Or
Why
some
not
ads.
immerse yourself in a whole new culture? Why not swap your daily routine for a brand new scene? Take off to Europe and touch down in one
Not
of our incredible
sponsored.
destinations from only $26.99 with EasyJet. What are you waiting for? Book now. Why not? One way per person, 2 flying, limited availability. See easyjet.com. Did you know between them, Sky, BT and Virgin
Still
Media
not
have raised their
sponsored.
prices mid-contract 4 times in the last year? If you've
Okay,
been
so I'm
affected,
almost done.
it's your right to leave your provider within 30 days, penalty-free. When you switch to TalkTalk, we guarantee no mid-contract price rises on all
Not
our broadband
sponsored.
plans. Right now, our unlimited fibre broadband is just $22.50 a month, over 18 months.
This video is not sponsored by anything. It's never sponsored, okay? After you got your pages, you go to get back to your sponge. You know the thing that you cut out on? Yeah, that. Just gonna make sure that fits. And just stick them in. So, first of all, go to get our tape or string. But I prefer tape because it's more secure than string, and string it's kind of more trickier. And just make your own notebook style, I guess. Yeah, it's really tricky, so I recommend getting some friends' help. So first, just do this. They should be equal or even. Okay, so it's something like that. You're going to get your tape and just, oh my goodness, this is not working. What the heck? Okay, so going to get your piece of tape. Let's try that again. Put it just half of the tape on the side and cut it. And then fold this over. So it creates your little notebook insides. But we're not done yet. Going to get some more tape. Just measure it. Don't put it exactly on the page. And you're going to get this. Put it on top half again. But you're not going to... Don't fold it over, okay? Don't. I'm going to just... how am I going to do this? Okay, so you're going to take this tape that you put on here. Oh my goodness, this is hard. Okay, got it. You're just going to stick it in the middle. Like that. There should be some excess if you want. Like, there's gonna be some stuff showing out because I measured the outside, not the inside. So I'm going to just stick my tape in the middle, just like this. Close it. And I didn't do it correctly. That's why I have this outside, and I broke him back. And now I'll roll the clip. Okay, class. Okay, class. Today we will be doing maths. Now write this down in your books. Ooh. By the way, I have started some merch. Some sloth purses and stuff. Okay, so write 2 plus 2 equals. Write down it. And I'm not talking about Big Shock, okay? Then what's minus 3? 1. Okay, write that down in your box. Okay, if you've done that sum, you can just have a rest after that. Okay, perfect. And instead of doing this, or this, or this, then get your notebook and lie down here. It's comfy. Okay, so what I wanted to do with the other one is with the other sponges, just take these 2 green ones out. So you're making like 3 notebooks in total. See, all you have to do is just take this other green bit off and tape them together to make like the book cover and add the pages inside. Okay, so bye. Hope you have a good day and happy school.